TikTok right here is an amazing platform right now that actually go on to getting lots of engagement right here. And if you do analyze TikTok based on similar web statistics, you will find out that TikTok get an average 2.1 billion visits every single month. That's quite a very huge amount of traffic right there, 2.1 billion visits. And you can actually see that most of this traffic comes from people in the United States right here. You could also go on to checking out maybe on Google if you do make a quick search right there about the TikTok creativity program, that you can actually use that to earn money right there. This is a program that goes on to rewarding creators on TikTok for actually creating cool content right there. If you just search on Google right there for how much TikTok creativity program pays, you can actually do see right here that you do go on to earning from $4 to $8 for 1,000 views right there. That's quite cool right now. For every 1,000 views, you're going to making $4 to $8 right there. And if you do make a million views right now for your videos on TikTok, you can go on to making up to $400 to $800 for just one single video. That's quite a huge amount of money you can make right there. Previously, guys, TikTok was actually paying about 2 to 4 cents per 1,000 views right there on this particular platform right now. But this, with the TikTok creativity program, you do go on to earning a lot more higher amount of money right here. So which is why you want to just simply focus on the TikTok creativity program right now. And you can see some details about how to join right here. You could also see the eligibility of this program. You need to have a US based account. So if you don't have a US based account, you can't actually access this program right here. If you are not from the US right there, you just need to get somebody in the US to create an account for you, then pass over that account to you and go on to utilizing that to actually be eligible for this. You could be at least 18 years of age right there. You actually need to have at least 10,000 followers right there. This is not actually quite difficult to get. So far you're creating some cool quality content, you can actually get this in a breeze right now. And also you need to have about 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. That's quite not difficult to make, so with using the strategy I'm about to show you right here in this particular video. So basically, guys, if you do actually meet up with all these requirements, you can actually be eligible for this program right here. And the requirement that is actually going to take more time for you to actually go on to get in is this 10,000 views right here, or 10,000 followers right here. And guys, supposing you've not gotten up to this 10,000 followers, how do you make money on TikTok? So you can earn money on TikTok with affiliate marketing right there. We're not just going to be using Amazon, we're just going to be using a different kind of strategy right now. And if you do head on to this particular platform called the Futurepedia.io, this is an amazing platform whereby you can see lots of AI tools in this platform right here. This is a platform that actually goes on to gathering a lot of AI tools out there and just simply putting them on their platform right now. So you can see right here, there are a lot of AI tools like the Casper AI, the Dub, and you can also go on to scrolling through. You can see the Flicky AI, the Sheet AI app, and so on and so forth. So supposing you do go on to searching for a particular AI called the Sonara, this is absolutely an amazing AI tool that you can actually go on to grabbing hold of right here. You can see some features of the AI tool right here, that you can use it for job search automation, intelligent job matching, and also a lot of cool stuff right here. And this is actually on the make money online niche. So you can just simply leverage on this niche right here to go on to creating some cool and quality content about this particular product right now, and go on to utilizing that for your YouTube channel right there, or your TikTok account right there, and using that to get a lot of traffic. You can see this is the platform right here called Sonara right now, which you can actually use for job searches right there, and go on to making some cool cash online right here. So all you need to do right now is to actually go on to getting some cool content right now from this particular page right there. You could go on to generating script for your video on this particular page just by scrolling through and actually generating topics right now, or generating content that you can just simply utilize to convert to a video right now. You just need to go on to getting some cool and valuable content from this platform. So if you don't want to just simply scroll through this page to do so, you may actually just want to come right here from this particular Futurepedia website, where they actually did insert the key features. You could just simply see that this is quite suitable for you. You could just simply copy the key features right here to any section which you actually do want, and go on to utilizing that right now for creating a video right here. Or you could just simply utilize AI tools out there like the Perplexity AI. So you can see right here with the Perplexity AI, I'm just going to come right here and ask it anything. Maybe I could ask it why Sonara AI is good for people. If I do click on enter, it's going to give me some cool and amazing answers right here. And I think these answers are actually quite sufficient for me to just simply go on to creating a short video right now. And the cool thing about this AI tool is that it actually goes on to giving you sources from where it got its content from right now. That is actually quite cool and amazing. You may be wondering why I didn't use ChatGPT. I actually prefer this particular AI called Perplexity AI to ChatGPT right here, because this particular platform called Perplexity actually goes on to gaining access to internet right there. So you can go onto the internet and search for a lot of stuff right there, but ChatGPT can't actually do that because it already works on already stored database in a system, while this particular AI goes onto the internet and search for cool stuff and gives you also references from where it got such stuff from. So all you need to do is to just simply copy the text right there for that you want to convert to a video. You want to just simply come onto platforms like 11labs.io, and if you do come onto this platform, you just need to come to this section, paste in that particular script right here which you want to convert, and just simply click on generate. You're going to convert that to a voiceover, and you can just simply go to downloading that voiceover yourself. So it's quite cool right here because the voiceover will actually sound quite realistic, and you can utilize that right now. So once you do create a voiceover right here, you actually need to go on to merging that with a video, and you can actually see that many people on this particular platform called TikTok actually goes on to getting some cool and amazing videos such as this right there that actually keeps people engaged right now. So you want to just simply create something similar. To do so right here, you just need to head on to YouTube right now and search for Minecraft fast per hour copyright right here. And if you do search for this right now, you'll be able to see a lot of cool content right here for you. And you can see right here that this actually is 1 minute and 55 seconds long, and the videos on TikTok creativity program needs to be up to 1 minute long right there. It needs to be more than 1 minute long right now. So you can actually do see right here that this one is about 1 hour 20 minutes long right here. So you could just simply see that this is quite sufficient for us. All you need to do is to just simply right click on the video, copy the link address, head on to this platform called Save and Snap Save, and you just need to paste in the video link right here. And if you do go on to clicking on enter, it's actually going to go on to analyzing that particular video, and you could be able to download that particular video right here via this platform. So it is quite cool right now. You want to use this platform, get the video, and just simply go on to merging that right there with the video that you are going to make from by yourself right there, just by screen recording your screen right now of this particular platform which you want to just simply go into promoting. You could screen record your screen right here, and this is actually cool right here because with this platform you're actually going to get in 10% commissions right there once you actually do go on to making referrals to this platform. So you're going to be earning money with this platform right here just by promoting this platform right now. So if you do promote this right here, you just want to go onto screen recording your screen, and if you screen record your screen, you want to merge that with the video which you actually downloaded from YouTube right there. You merge it, maybe you could put one at the top and another at the bottom right there, just like a podcast, and go on to uploading that on your TikTok platform right there to actually go on to getting a lot of engagement right now. And if you're getting a lot of engagement right there on such content, you can actually go on to utilizing the affiliate marketing link to that particular product at the description or of the video, or you could just simply insert that in the bio of your account right there. So you may actually see people putting some links in the bio of their account. You could just simply go on to doing something quite similar right there. Maybe if I do actually go on to selecting an account right now, so you can take a look at this, just like how this person is doing right now. He has a link in the bio of his account. You want to just simply compile a list of the products which you're actually promoting, because you're not just going to be sticking with just this one right here. You may actually want to go on to focusing on other products from this platform called Futurepedia right here and go on to promoting that. And you want to just simply compile a list of their affiliate marketing links right there and put in the description of your video or the bio of your account, just like how this person is doing right now. And TikTok or social media platforms are not quite okay with affiliate marketing links. That is why you need to create something like a landing page or a bridge page that's going to serve as a bridge between your landing page and that particular social media platform like TikTok. And you could just simply leverage platforms like Linktree right here to do such stores right there. And you can see right here that if you do go on to doing something with Linktree or using Linktree as a form of landing page, it's going to show your offers right now or your affiliate marketing link, just like this one right here, as you can see on this page. It's actually going to be quite cool right now. You want to just simply leverage this platform and utilize that as a form of landing page right there. And make sure you do insert the link in the bio of your account, and you could just simply go on to getting a lot of engagement to that particular video. Once you do get engagement and people is interested on that particular product, you're going to go onto the link in your bio, purchase that, and you do go on to getting affiliate commission for doing so right there. And you can actually go on to getting a lot of engagement that may actually lead you to monetizing your YouTube or TikTok account right there to become a TikTok creativity program earner right there. And once you do so, guys, you're gonna also be earning money with this platform. So this is quite an amazing strategy. I advise you do take advantage of, leverage that, and make some cool cash online. If the video did add any form of value to you, don't forget to hit the like button to the video, subscribe to my channel, and make sure your notification bell is always turned on all, so that I do alert you whenever I release videos that could help you in boosting your income online. Because right here on my channel, OJ Marketing, I create videos on ways that you can actually go on to making extra income online. If you like such content, don't forget to hit the like button to the video and subscribe to the channel. That's it for now. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, guys, and goodbye.